Hi guys, it's me. Today I'm gonna make slime. So what you need is gain or any activator, glue, and a bowl. So first, what you wanna do is we're gonna try to make this kind of stretchy slime, but not the same color. And you will need I hate touching this, but coloring. Food coloring too. It's super messy, it's teal. So what you want to do first is get your glue and pour it in. Mine's clear glue. You like to see when you look out of it. That. I'm just gonna pour all this glue. Okay.
Hello?
Then you want to get your no. Excuse me. You want to put your coloring in.
Hello?
I need a spoon. Or
Can you
can.
hear me?
Using a can. What? It's already mixing into, turning into slime, guys. And I didn't even add
Tell me
it.
that I can't hear you.
Okay, so you put your coloring up. And it looks like this right now. So I'm gonna mix that in. Then you want to get your gain or your activator. You can use gain or Tide or borax or contact lens solution and add about a little bit, like almost a capful, but not a capful. Then you set that aside, and then you get a spoon, and then you start mixing. I always go in with this part, but it's easier if you go in with where you hold, but I'm gonna go in like this. Whoa, guys. Oh, that's cool. Stretchy. It's getting super stretchy. Yeah, guys, I had a, never mind. I didn't have to do anything. So, after that, you want to just mix. And then here's my glop. And then you want to mix it together. It's like there's, and it's first when you mix it, it's sticky. But if you keep mixing in and in and in like that, it'll be stretchy. So, and what you want to do is you just keep mixing it in like that. And I think these slimes turn out the same. Ugh, what is that? whatever. They turned out the same. I forgot to put this slime up so it's starting to harden. So we're going to set this slime up for our side. Set it to the side. So, and then you just keep mixing. And then you got slime. I think it pretty much turned out the same, but just without glitter. Like it's super stretchy. We're going to try to make it all. Oh! So, super stretching my hands off of this. And like, gotta get all the extra sticky. Like that. And then there you go. That's how you make slime. It's pretty easy. And if you love my videos, make sure you like them, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm not leaving yet, but like I'm just trying to show you guys just a little more, few more seconds for this slime. So we're just gonna warm this slime up, and like we're going to use this, and we're going to put stuff in here, not slime stuff. So we're going to take a little piece. Whoa, did you see that? So, look at that. Guys, that looks so good. And I have a little bit more slime in here, so I'm gonna make a little more. I'll be back with you guys. So guys, I just made some more slime. It was a little batch, because the little batch is right here. I know my hands are like a total disaster, but deal with it. So, what we're going to do, we're going to add this in. This gloopy glue into this glue. Yeah, I think it like ruined it, so I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes because it's getting a little sticky. So we're going to let it sit on this lid, this slime lid. So you guys will see it. It's going to be right here. So now we're going to put this super glossy when you like just take it out. You see that shimmer? It's like so shimmery. Like, oh my gosh. And I love it. It's like I love the clear glue making. Like, I love how you can like make clear slime. It's like easy. Yeah, I'm like rubbing this because I have like game all over my hands. See? Yeah, guys, like, don't add game to your slime that's going to be slime because it'll turn out like this. So we're going to let that sit right there where you guys could see, and then we're going to play with this. This is like so good of slime. And
what are you doing?
It's so cool.
Angel, you're making a fucking mess. Watch out. Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Haley, your sister's in here making a mess.
No, no.
Mommy busted her ass yesterday. I need you to
So
look up in the cupboard up there and see if I have any tomato soup, because I'm going to make him a grilled cheese and tomato soup before he goes to work today.
and then we got sea salt.
What? Give me that other peanut butter up there.
So next we're gonna add peanut butter. So we got this little bit. Okay, what do I do? You guys can see.
You want anything while making my peanut butter dice? How many things do you want?
Nope.
Huh?
Salt. I said no.
Leave it in the car when you can eat.
It ain't stretchy. See how that ain't stretchy? Yeah, stretchy.
Haley.
Like, I think this salt. Let's add a little more salt, guys. Yeah, we added more salt. I mean, I added more salt. And then if you add salt, we're gonna add salt to all this right here. Okay. This is all salt.
Haley, we caught another one.
Then what you want to do? Whoa, salt actually makes it stretchier, but not put there. So what? So that's gonna close out the video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and do all you can. And bye.